Hello guys, what's up? It is Brianna from Briannalisaphotography. How are you guys today? I really want to know because I am doing amazing because today is an unboxing of the Glow Easy White Beauty Dish. It's the 42W from Adorama. You know, Glow Easy is like the house brand of Adorama, I've heard. And I also got the Bowen's S mount for my speed light, and you can also use the 8200 flash, well 8200 strobe to put in here. You can put a whole lot of like stuff in here for light. You can add this to a snoot and all that stuff. So I have the YN 560 Mark III speed light from Younglow, and I have the TX trigger for my camera, so that's what I'm going to be using. And today is going to be kind of an unboxing of what it is, and hopefully I get to try it out. But I forgot to buy the stand, the C stand for this, so we'll see if we can do that another day. But hopefully we can set it up here on camera, the beauty dish, and hopefully it will be awesome. And I have such high expectations for this company, and of course I'm going to link all the things I got, the mount and the speed light and all that, and the beauty dish down below in the description, so you can get one for yourself and try it out if you are a professional photographer, videographer, or whatever you are. I also forgot to mention that it came with a free gift, which is the diffuser blanket for any type of flash, you know, like a horseshoe flash or something like this. I may insert a picture that I see online of what you can use this on, and that was really nice. I don't remember this being included on Adorama, so yeah, or Amazon. So that was a really nice free gift that I love because I wanted one. And the package also came with all this Velcro stuff. I have no idea what it's used for, but hopefully I will find out because it doesn't necessarily say on the manual. And it came with all these colors that I'm not completely sure what it's for, because again, I didn't see it on the menu or the manual. And this is the manual right here. It has some in Japanese, I believe, or Chinese, I'm not really sure. Don't get mad at me. And you're right, like I said, you can use this with the snoot and all this different stuff, so that's good. Okay guys, I just opened up the beauty dish, and what I found was actually the instructions. So this is the manual for how to put it together, and I will be doing that probably off camera, so I don't have to worry about the camera. And I have this, and this was the dish that it came with. This was the dish, and it also came with, of course, the diffuser, the little diffuser blanket. I call it the standard white one because I ordered it in white. And we have this. This is the grid that goes on it. Came with the grid. It's kind of like eggshells, I think some people call them. Some photographers call them eggshells, egg plates, and stuff like this. And for last but not least, we have the actual softbox, the Glow Easy softbox right here. And it looks really, really big. I love it. It's not really that heavy. It's sturdy, and it's very nice. Very nicely packaged, and I'm so excited to put this together with the instruction sheet off camera, and hopefully I can tell you guys what I think about it, and hopefully I can get on the Bowen's mount easily and not have to, you know what I mean. So yes, I will come back after I am done setting it up if I can today. Hey guys, so I just finished putting together the little egg crate grid thing, and it turned out nice. I liked it with the Velcro, and I'm using it with my little speed light down there. And I'm going to put my diffuser on and show you guys how that looks like. Okay, so this came with two diffusers, one there and one there. I just took off the egg crate stuff on the softbox. And this one right here is to actually go outside the softbox, and this one over here is supposed to go in the middle to attach to these little straps right here. Pretty simple setup. It's really, really nice. And I'll get back to you guys when I do it. All right, guys, so this was the final step. I put my baseline diffuser right inside of this. Then I put this on the outside, and on the rim here, it is actually Velcro. And with the diffuser, it's Velcro too. So you just stick on the Velcro all around the sides. I missed some areas, but that's okay. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing tutorial for the Glow Easy Softbox.